Say it one more time. Your 9 to 5. You watching. Your 9 to 5 is not enough. I'm here to wake you the fuck up, man. Look, man, take the risk. Take the risk. Bet on yourself at the end of the day, but bet on yourself when it's time. When it's time. Listen to me, bro. If you don't do anything, listen to me closely. Start that side business. Start that side hustle. Lock in. I'm not gonna waste no time, man. We're gonna get straight into it, man. Y'all see what's on the title and the thumbnail. Look, your 9 to 5 is not enough, man. Your 9 to 5 is not enough. I'm gonna say it one more time. Your 9 to 5. You watching. Your 9 to 5 is not enough. I'm here to wake you the fuck up, man. Look, this life we living in, man. The economy is getting crazy out here, man. It's getting crazy. Everything is going up. Gas is going up. Groceries going up. Materials going up. Like, bro, everything is going up. But one thing that's staying the same is your paycheck and your 9 to 5. Right? So how in the world are you going to level up? How in the world are you going to beat this rat race? You got to focus on something past your 9 to 5. So what are you doing from your 5 to 9? Your 5 to 9 will free you, man. Oh, what is my 5 to 9? Your 5 to 9 is what you do after your 9 to 5 that's gonna prepare you to make more money. A side hustle. Everybody needs to have a side hustle. We don't live in the time or the day and age where you can work one job and you'll be okay. You can work one job, have a family, one income can be fine. No, we're working in a time now that it has to be multiple streams of income for you and your family or your loved one or your spouse to have a great life, right? Because at the end of the day, everything is so high. If you got one income and all that income doing is putting towards bills, you're already lost. So what I'm trying to tell y'all, man, is look, man, I need everybody to listen to me closely. Listen to me when I say this. You need to have something after your 9 to 5 that's going to generate you income. That's going to make you money on the side, right? That could be either cutting grass, washing cars, online business, coaching, content creation, YouTube, anything, pressure washing, anything that can make you some extra money the balance out your life so you can, when you pay your bills, you got more than enough. That's what we're striving for. We're striving to, when we pay our bills, we got more than enough to live. If your kids want something, you ain't got to worry about it because you know you got the money, right? But if you're living from paycheck to paycheck, man, I'm telling you, man, it's not a good feeling, man. It's not a good feeling. Oh, I know you probably thinking, well, Quan, what do you do? Man, look, I will give y'all a background story really quick and fast. Yes, I work a 9 to 5. Right now, I'm at my job. But I've had so many things going on when I get off this job. I cut grass. I wash cars. I have a detailing shop. I make content. I sports bet. You see, it's multiple streams of income. So when that paycheck comes, I balance everything out. It balances out, right? But I'm not there yet. I'm not to the point where I can quit my 9 to 5 and go full what I want to do, right? But it's coming. I'm getting there. Before that, y'all, I worked 3 jobs at one point, so I understand where you. I know what it comes, man. I know what it takes. I worked 3 jobs, and when you think 3 jobs is enough, bro, 3 jobs would never be enough. 3 jobs, only thing that does is take away your time and energy, man. I done did that, man. I done did where I had to only sleep for like 3 hours, go to one job, 9 to 5, another job from 5 to 9, then 12 to 8. Repeat it all over again. I done that. Working 3 jobs is never the answer. What's the answer is you work one job and you focus on a side hustle that can make you money, that's gonna generate you enough money to leave your 9 to 5 so you can generate a life for yourself. Entrepreneurship is the best thing you can ever do, man. Any realm. It don't even have to be major. Even if you making an extra $2,000, $3,000 a month on the side, if you can, bro. My thing is right now, I would tell anybody, say your job makes you $2,000 a month, but your side hustle makes you $2,000 to $2,000 to $2,500 a month. If you could do that consistently for the next 6 months, you could quit your 9 to 5 and go full time with your side hustle, and you can scale that business. Everybody needs to wake the fuck up. Wake up. Wake up, bro. Wake up. Your job is not enough. Your 9 to 5 is not enough, man. I'm telling you right now, bro, you got to have a side hustle. It got to be in you, bro. Everybody, bro. If you just working one job, you watching, all you got is one job. And you know what you be doing? You complain, man, I ain't making enough. I need a raise. Even when you get that raise, it's only like $1, $2. Especially if you're working just like a regular 9 to 5. Now it's a few outliers, man. People that's actually nurses and doctors and stuff. They got a salary that can, what I'm saying, make them enough to where they financially okay. But even then, doctors and lawyers, they still investing money in stocks, real estate. They still trying to build financial wealth, man. You know what I'm saying? That's what you need to do. You need to focus on trying to build something to where when you sleep, you making money. When you sleep, you still doing what you got to do. At the end of the day, we want money to work for us. We don't want to work for money. We don't want to trade our time for money, man. When you get older, man, you gonna start feeling like, man, this shit ain't worth it. You dig what I'm saying? So look, I want to encourage everybody. I need everybody to listen to me closely, bro. If you don't have no side hustle, man, just find something that you love to do, that you're really passionate about. That if you get paid for it or not, you will still be in love with the thing. Now, if you can monetize it, boom, you ball game, you in there. That could be sales, that could be anything, making clothes, making jewelry, shopping for people, anything, helping people, bro, anything. Please do it. Create that side business, create that side hustle, get after it, bro. Because at the end of the day, man, the only way to really, really get ahead in life is to have another type of income. You cannot do it off just one income, dog. Like the people that get paid from the state, I don't know how they do it. They get paid once a month. Yeah, that once a month may be, let's just say 2,500 or 3,000, whatever the case may be. But you just gotta live off that, and your bills take all that, bro. You already cooked. You know what I'm saying? So look, what I want to encourage everybody to do, man. Look, please, please, please find you a side hustle that you can do that can make you more money. Once you do that, continue to make more money, grow that business, and then once you see that after 3 to 4 months it's surpassing your 9 to 5, quit your job and go full time. But then and start investing money, invest money in the stocks and real estate, right? Grow your business so then your money is just flowing, your money is just doubling, like you tripling 10x your income. Then you living the life that you want to live. Hey guys, I am not there yet. I promise you, man, I'm not there. That's why I still work my job. But I'm getting there, man. I am getting there. I feel like I'm on the right track, on the right path. You know what I'm saying? This shit takes time, bro. It ain't just up and quit your job and just do whatever you want, man. It don't work like that, man. You're gonna be poor if you do that. But what you need to do, man, take the risk. Take the risk. Bet on yourself at the end of the day, but bet on yourself when it's time. When it's time, you gonna know. You gonna know when it's time, man. You gonna know, but you gotta start somewhere first. You gotta start somewhere. I encourage everybody, please, to start your side hustle. Do what you need to do to make extra money on the side, bro. Even if you make an extra $500, bro, extra 500, that could be more groceries, and that could be, anything. You gotta see what's going on in the world, man. How in the world is the world gonna go up? Gas going up, groceries, but your pay is still the same. You will never catch up. You will always be here. But if everything goes up, your paycheck stays the same. But you got a side hustle that's bringing you money. You collecting, brother. You collecting dollars. You getting ahead. You will get ahead. But if you don't have a side hustle, you don't have a side business, bro. You will never get ahead. It's only a few outliers, man. I'm telling you, it's only a few outliers that can do that. But majority of people are just working regular jobs, right? And they don't have another business or anything else that's gonna make them more money. I'm encouraging y'all to do it. Listen to me, bro. I done did so much work for my little entrepreneurship journey that I have done. It's everything that I've done taught me something. Taking lessons here, taking lessons here, taking lessons. But if I would never start none of those things, I wouldn't know nothing about the stuff that I'm telling y'all. You dig what I'm saying? So all that came led up to what I'm doing now. I'm telling you right now, man, start you a side business, a side hustle. Even if, bro, I'm telling you, man, look, no, I'm not talking about fucking Uber. You still working for somebody. But I mean, shit. I mean, you can still do Uber. You know what I'm saying? Like after you work your 9 to 5, go do Uber. You still make some extra money. But what I'm trying to tell y'all, man, eventually you want to work for yourself. I know everybody can't work for themselves. It's a lot that comes with working for yourself. You gotta know how to budget. I work for myself, and I'm still low key. I gotta know, make sure I'm tracking everything. It's a lot, but I would rather have that freedom than have to clock in all the time. My job is easy. That's why I still work my job. My job is super, super easy. But at the end of the day, I know at the end of the day, I still want to work for myself. I still got goals and dreams that I want to do. I still want to travel. So in order for me to do that, I gotta make sure my side businesses make enough income to where I can leave here and then go full time what I want to do, and then boom, it's ball game. But it gotta start with something. You gotta start with something, man. So when I'm trying to tell y'all, just wake the fuck up. Listen to me, bro. If you don't do anything, listen to me closely. Start that side business. Start that side hustle. Lock in. Lock in for yourself and your future. Right? Don't be continue being in this rat race, man. You on that hamster wheel. You know what I'm talking about? That hamster wheel. Paying bills. That's all you doing. Work to pay bills. Work to pay bills. Work to pay bills. That ain't living, gang. That's not living. Twin, that's not living, bro. That's not living. We wanna this is what we wanna do. We wanna have enough money to when we pay our bills, we got more than enough that go have fun, spurge on our families, our kids, go on vacation, and we don't have to worry about money. The best quote I ever heard about money is money. Well, let me get it right first. Hold on, I'm having a brain fart, guys. Look, having money solves the problem of not having money. Simple as that. When you got money, you don't stress about money. You may have other things you stress about, like your health and stuff, but you don't stress about money. You don't stress about finances. You dig what I'm saying? But it all starts, we got to go back to what are we doing after our 9 to 5? What are we doing from that 5 to 9? Are we maximizing our 5 to 9? Are we maximizing? Are we getting off? Are we hitting the gym? Are we reading books? Are we launching our business? Are we learning about a new business, right? Whatever you do after your 5 to 9 will determine your future. But if you get off work and just scroll, hop on the game, go chill with chicks, beach and meat, you will never get ahead. You will always be in a rat race. You will always be on your job. So my message today is to y'all is look, focus on the side business, focus on the side hustle, grow that business to where you can quit your job and be your own entrepreneur so you can make your money, build that wealth for your family, man. That's the video for today. I love y'all. Quan out. Peace.